2018, Kickerfeast had its humble beginnings. It's a line of vegetable and fruit-based pancake mix, and get this, it's perfect for any picky eaters.
So here to tell us all about it is the owner, Carol Ann Carrington. Carol Ann, thank you so much for joining us, and I'm loving the setup. So you're definitely going to be making us some of those delicious pancakes.
Yes, I am. Thanks for having me.
Well, first things first, where did the inspiration for your company begin?
Well, I was juicing carrots and my son wanted pancakes, and I wanted him to drink some of the carrot juice because as a parent, children are always giving us a challenge to eat healthy. So just an intuition told me to add some of the carrot juice into the pancake mix, and I did. And that was my journey to start a pancake line with natural fruits and vegetables. So what I'll show you today, they come in 4 flavors. We have the carrot, we also have the beet, we have the blueberry, and we have the pumpkin. And as you can see, they have different colors and they're all natural fruits and vegetable mixes. So what I'll show you is once I add the water to the beet and blend it, the color represents that of a beet. It's a pinkish reddish color. And you just make pancakes or waffles. And that is your mixes.
Oh, that seems so good. I mean, I love the colors, but let me ask the most important question. We have 4 flavors, but which one is a top contender?
Right now, it is a choice between the carrot and the blueberry. Those are the most popular. Beet is an acquired taste, so everyone does not like beet, but when you add toppings on it, you can eat it, and children will love it. I think children are more interested in color, so I think they will enjoy blending it in the kitchen.
I would say beets would probably be a hard sell, but the color of beets is what would make me want to eat it. So is it one of those things where you were like, okay, this is a fun way, because kids, they look at color, just like you said, more than they look at what they're eating. So does it taste like beets?
It does. Each of them have the flavor of the fruit and the vegetable, but it's not so strong. It's not to deter kids, it's to encourage kids. So they will definitely still enjoy it while putting on many toppings. And I do have some of the pancakes finished, so I'll show them to you. We have the beet, and we have the berry. And it can also make waffles. So I also have a tray of waffles in blueberry, in carrot, in pumpkin. You could decorate it however you want.
Well, Lauren, I think we're headed that way for some pancakes and waffles.
I'm calling for the blueberries. I'm gonna take that because that just looks like so much fun, and it's just a fun experience for kids.
Yeah.
You can make these with your children, make it a learning experience, make it fun so they don't realize, hey, I'm eating healthy.
Right, and what it is that they're eating, because the beets would probably throw them off. But if, our viewers wanted to try some of your pancakes or waffles, where could they find you?
Just come online. We are at www.kickerfeast.com. Please follow us on social media. We're on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter.
And Carol Ann, I'm always interested to know how long did this take from that inspiration, you realizing, hey, my son will eat carrots if I put them in pancakes. How long did that take you to get this up and running?
The process was 2 years, and it took a long time. I also used my savings for the venture, so I'm not going to tell anyone it was an easy process. It is not. It requires research. You have to get your nutritional labels. The product was tested a year for shelf life. And of course, you have to get a graphic designer to help design the pouches, which are beautiful, and how you want to represent, your product. But it was a process of approximately 2 years.
All right. It just shows you when you're an entrepreneur, you have an idea.
You have to get to it.
You have to get to it, and you have to push through it, especially in these hard times. Carol Ann, this is so great. I'm definitely going to check them out.
Excited.
I looked on your website, and they're reasonably priced because you have some of these other brands coming out trying to make healthier pancakes. And it's all about that price at the end of the day. So as long as you
break
can,
the bank or
you
not.
know, right. As long as you can get these at a reasonable price, I think that is amazing. So definitely keep it up.
Thank you so much.